to another week, another vlog. This is Angelica. We are actually gonna be doing such a fun and exciting type of video this week. I personally feel like I haven't really incorporated and showed you guys a week in my boyfriend and I's life in this brand new home. And y'all are probably thinking like, girl, I'm not gonna lie, I have watched a lot of different YouTube videos out there recently, and one type of content that I miss putting out on my YouTube is my moving series. And yes, if you guys are new here, I moved 3 times in a year. I don't know how I moved in 2 apartments, and then I bought my very first home with my boyfriend for the first time ever. Right now I'm actually unboxing some PR packages. In the meantime, what is this? Oh, CeraVe. CeraVe lotion. Wait, which one is this? For your face? Yes. Oh my goodness. Guys, just in time for sunscreen. I've gotten so many different types of sunscreens this summer, meaning I will now be buying one sunscreen all summer, which is so amazing. I have so much for like body and face. I was waiting for this restock. The last time I mentioned about my housewarming party, my mom's side, we all hosted them like here a few weeks ago, and it was like 30 plus people. We have a very, very large family. Like each family has like a bunch of kids. I'm really nervous as to like how we're gonna fit everyone in the house. But luckily it was really sunny outside on Memorial Day, and we were able to set up a bunch of chairs and like fold out tables outside, and like also we had outdoor furniture that, you know, the aunties could like sit and chat. We had that party because we had majority of our, you know, furniture and like decorations like all set. But obviously it's been 6 months and I feel like I still don't have everything, which is okay. And if things don't look put together, homey, cozy, like clean, like whatever, and people come over, like it's a disaster in my head. Like I would rather just not have anyone over at that point. I wanted to show you guys this really cute orchid plant that my aunt gave me. I kid you not, oh my gosh, it's the longest and the tallest orchid ever in the smallest pot. It has potential, I'm telling you, and the color is so cute. Let me show it to you guys. We're sat up right here in the kitchen. I'll definitely say that the housewarming was really, really successful. We had good food, good vibes, good energy, enough room for everyone inside and out, which was amazing. This home that we have right now is 1,100 square feet around there, 3 bedrooms and 1 bath. Me vacuuming the entire home and mopping already gets exhausting. I can't imagine someone with a 2,000 and up square footage like home. I made a mistake actually this past month with my Costco orchids, and so I kind of low-key killed one of them, but the other 3 is like fine. I wonder why the leaves are like yellow lime green like this. Is that normal, guys? Or is it just like depends on the type of orchid? Gosh, I honestly don't know where to put this though, because I feel like I don't have a lot of areas of my home to put this in, and I'm still waiting for a brand new desk in the office. I'm just gonna honestly do 1/4 of a cup because I'm not trying to drown it, you know what I mean? And I feel like this is so freaking cute, like how it vines like that. So I'm gonna put that there in the meantime, but I wanted to tell you guys an actual quick update. I'm getting a brand new desk for my birthday. Luckily my boyfriend is, you know, gonna prep that all up for me, and I need you guys' help. You know how we have this mini IKEA desk over here? This, we had it because our apartment space in Seattle was so freaking tiny that this was all we could fit in a corner. I don't know what I wanna do with the new desk. Obviously, I'm gonna take this desk out. The desk that I have, I wanna say this is like a less than 45-inch desk, but the new desk I have is 60 inches. Lay it right here, or if I should just lay it kind of in the middle like that. Do you see what I'm getting at here? Because the desk that I got is really, really cute. It's gonna match a little bit with the farmhouse modern aesthetic, and it is an executive, kind of like a CEO type of desk. So it's gonna have a lot of storage, it's gonna be longer, it's gonna be bigger. I get to finally fill up this room because I am so sick and tired of having this freaking tiny desk. It does not fit anything. Like, look, do you know how messy this is? Okay, enough with the talking. Let's go ahead and get ready because I'm actually gonna be heading to Mart. Okay, so we just arrived at Mart, and the groceries that we are getting today are
dinner groceries.
For example,
it's gonna be surprise.
Tell me why we were just on the way to Mart and we saw these fake Labubus and fake Sony Angels. Look at the print to it. Look how faded it looks. Oh my gosh, what is this? And look at this, the exciting background. It's not even a real box. That's not even what it actually looks like. Oh my gosh, what is this? Bro, it's Lafufu. What the? They got the Pop Mart crying again babies. finally got back from H Mart and we have a whole load of groceries to go through. H Mart, we spent $72.51. Not bad. I'm gonna give you guys a whole breakdown as to what we got, because we did get ingredients, but we also got some snacks and some other stuff that's really fun. So first of all, we have garlic, because I'm so sorry, I cannot be peeling the garlics myself. It takes too much time and energy, so I kind of like them prepackaged. We have lettuce for tomorrow that we're gonna be making. I got spinach for tonight, because we are gonna be making a tofu spinach soup. It's something like a Vietnamese dish that my mom used to always make. So medium firm. And then we wanted to try like new ramen packages, but we didn't want to commit to buying like a whole package, like a whole set. So Sapporo Ichiban. This one's miso ramen. So I got one that's tonkatsu flavored. And then I got some chives. Chives for tonight, chives for tomorrow, some sesame oil. I literally always use that for dipping sauce for meat and when you cook some things too. And then my boyfriend said he needed frying mix for cooking. So we got that because I'm always gonna be cooking for the first time ever tonight. This is actually, fun fact, it's been 6 months since living here. True or false? It's been 6 months living here, okay? And this is gonna be the first time that you're cooking something.
I would cook more, but she doesn't like my cooking, so.
I didn't say that. He also got sushi. Homeboy's just lazy up in here. And then also we got coconut milk. I really wanted to try to make a coconut milk matcha. I saw it on Instagram, on TikTok and stuff, and I'm like, wait, I gotta try that at home. I ate these growing up, but he got the hot garlic flavor. I don't know what it is, but I am obsessed with mala anything. I just love Szechuan, so I got it in the Lay's edition. Small side dishes, something for me to eat throughout the week, even today, because I was so hungry. I don't even know what this is. It says sea tingle noodles, but it honestly has like vinegar, sugar, and like mayonnaise in it. We definitely got japchae. And then last but not least, we have potato salad. Yes, we got all of those goodies for $72. That's actually insane to think about, because some of these things, like for example, the spinach and the tofu, you can make with other things, like different entrees. Let's get going with the cooking. Don't call me weird, but I slept in this exact shirt from last night's dinner, which is fine because I literally did a whole shower and a hair wash. But I wanted to wear this because it's such a cute pop of color to go out in, and I currently have Aritzia white mega sweats on. My cousin right now to go to HomeGoods. Recently searching for more organization bins for the fridge. It could be for my makeup, drawers, for the closet cabinet. I have a lot of PR skincare that it's been just shoved into my closet and it just like overfilled my basket, so I need another one. An Asian household, y'all know, okay? If you know, you know. It's not really all clean everywhere. Everything's like cluttered and there's literally no organization bin in sight. I have a limit, guys. Under $20 at HomeGoods, and I feel like that's possible. Let's go in.
Always had a way to make it work and find another route.
Welcome back, guys. We're home. Okay, so I think I spent like $22. I got the croissant toy that you guys saw me buy for the dogs, and then I got like a pantry bin instead of 3. Also something like this for the fridge. It was very much needed because our fridge is like actually really terrible right now. I'm not kidding. I'm actually so embarrassed to be showing you guys something like that. Please come off smoothly. Okay, there you go. I wanted to touch base on my luxury wardrobe in my office area. I feel like it's been a mess. I need to reorganize like little bits and pieces here and there. I don't know if you guys can tell, but there's random perfume bottles everywhere. And also, the other day at HomeGoods, I bought those like organizers, the clear organizer bins. Well, I wish I would have bought more for my makeup drawers. Do you see this bin right here? It's so overload. I feel like I need to organize things a little bit more because I'm just sticking things in like all random places. I usually have like a whole separate ring pile somewhere else around the house, but to be honest with you, I just am so lazy pulling that out and getting them out in their own like drawers. Okay, so this is gonna go in the back. show you guys what's in the tier red box. This is all PR. It was from their cushion foundation, the minis. I'm so grateful to be on the PR and just receiving all these free things, but at the same time, this has got to be the not so smartest type of like marketing campaign.
You work and find another route. Always had a way to make it work and find
I'm not gonna lie, seeing this gives me anxiety, and I know it's not even a lot compared to what a lot of people go through. Final cleanup, the organization, everything. We finally got that freaking corner cleaned out, done. Should have done that before the housewarming. And then this is my stool that I like use whenever I want to film. Everything looks so put together finally. The space, like I said, I'm still waiting on my executive desk to be, you know, here in the next week or whatever. So maybe in the next vlog or so, you might see it. I'm not sure. It's gonna probably take a while to build because I think my boyfriend is just gonna do it on his free time. Anyways, I hope you guys really did enjoy the video. Please feel free to like, subscribe, comment down below, and don't forget to turn that post notification. That way you don't always post it throughout the entire week. We'll definitely see you guys in the next YouTube video.